Ohanaeze Ndigbo President General don call out Igbo, say the time to relocate and to bring our business home is here. We are going to show you in this video. They say that the prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is finally completing in Lagos, as he don't prophesy a long time ago of this happening now. No be smart, you know. They say that the army general don't call out Simon Ekpa, the PM of Biafra Republic government in exile, say he's sabotaging their effort in Southeast to restore peace. No be smart, you know, as that one don't go. They say that Israel don't call aside the citizen for traveling to Nigeria for terrorist attack threat. We will go look inside this matter. We know how it take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today are the first time you come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Okay my people, today we are going to talk about what the Ohanaeze Ndigbo President General have said before we jump into other matter we will get for our hand. We are going to play you a video where he is explaining that Igbos should relocate their business to have international market in all states in Igboland, so that Igbo will also become an like it will become the way Lagos is, that the business area that where everybody can come as well as they are the one who is developing all that. They can as well do it in their order. So I want to play the video, but sir, you people are waking up late. But however, let's watch the video before we come back and continue.
Because one of the problems when I made like came up in Lagos. My brother, Emma, Ntajanya, a group getting hala prosperous, a bit of name a hand so boom, and hand so boom. So now, all the way over Lemania, that now, okay, roller, Mbaigama, we're not telling our people to come home. We're telling our people to diversify. And you see, from my, I want to diversify, reach on, without telling him how to do it. It doesn't make sense. So what I have done now, I have now established Ohanaeze Ndigbo to, what you call international market in all the state, in every state capital. There's international market. I got one already. I am with 200 hectares of land now, Abia. That one is already. They have brought to me the drawings, some of the preliminary drawings, and then you see a developer is a champion, is lead. Then Ohanaeze is actually the champion that is organizing it in the state. But the good thing I want to tell you here, this developer will be financed by Platinum Bank. The bank has already offered the money to finance it. What we are going to achieve is that it's not just only Igbo, please call home. No. I got to see Igbo. Look, I am not let this in. I am with this market. Now, come and be an obstacle. And him already cheap. When I have freehold property, because you have property. When we can pay one deposit, I will go to 1 million or 2 million, I have deposit. Then you have to charge the property, or his own free property. How many years old are not to repair? One thing when they have work, one they will have over some years. But he don't seem want to call without providing for him. How will he call? So right now, from what I'm doing, you come now, you take off the shop, only in the Lagos. Give you some bute no. Yes. And that will do two things. One, goods and services in Igbo. Number two, I get employment. You will tell me we get many more employed. So you can imagine I get over 2,000 shops. Can you imagine maybe 2,000 shops about three people employed? You know, it's a lot of money. It's a lot. So, you know, because you see more Chineke in a brain. That brain is enable us to solve our problems. So that is what we are using now in Ohanaeze. We are going to do it. We are going to solve our problems. So we are doing that, and then we are also working. In America, ndị ọcha si na mgbe nna ha nwụrụ many centuries ago, nna ha hapụ will na message kọwara ụmụ ha si na ha ebe si buru ha gaa Amerịka na ọwụ n'ala Igbo. So ọkwa na ha ụmụ ha chọta ebe ndị Igbo nọ. So mgbe m ruru Amerịka, great people apụta si na ha wụ ndị Igbo. Unu anya people like McHenry, an internet billionaire, ọ sị na ya wụ onye Igbo. McHenry, onye nke ọzọkwa General Ward, one of the great generals in America. I think the only black man who has commanded the NATO. He's a very highly respected man in America. After in public. Now, even him at the whole African Museum that day near White House in Washington, it was fantastic. Then the Ndigbo with the masquerade.
I think I watched it.
It was a very fantastic thing. You see. In America, well, not America, so now. They were all happy. Inside the channel, I signed it. Then I contacted the governors. Together. I contacted the governors and got permission from governor to appoint at least 2 of them, McHenry and General Ward, to Ohanaeze Presidential Advisory Council, and they approved this. So both McHenry and General Ward are not only Ndigbo, but also they are part of Presidential Advisory Council of Ohanaeze and Ndigbo. And they're very proud of those things. They're very proud and very happy. Many of them, they will come. They are very anxious to, they are so happy about it.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I have watched that video, I hear everything we talk for that video, but sir, you people are really waking up very, very late. You know, the problem we have is that we don't value our own, but we choose to persecute our own. That is the reason why Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention in DSS dungeon till today, after court decided them to release him. He has no case, I guess, with Nigeria. So what am I trying to say here is that this is not today this thing started. Remember that after the war, our people lost their houses as well in different parts of the country, especially in Port Harcourt. Today, none has been recovered. But it's happening in our face, kuro eyes again. And now you people want to wake up. But however, coming home is the best option, and bringing our business home is the best option for us. This, I've said it before in my video, that business of these days is not must. You must come to that person's shop. Your customer can be anywhere and the goods will reach your customer. This is how business functions these days. So it is a very good move with the one that we have seen, that they are building Ndigbo in Anambra. If this is, let it not be in social media only. Let it be real. Let it be written that Igbos will wake up. We have billionaires that can do that. There's billionaires in Igboland that can even build this market itself without even taking money from bank. We have people that can do it. Let them begin to think to bring businesses home. It could be more better for our people. Okay, my people, let's quickly go and look into this matter as it is hot. They say that the Army General don't call aside Simon Ekpa. He said that the young man, they sabotage the struggle where they fight to bring peace for Southeast. Simon Ekpa, the PM of Biafra Republic government in exile, he don't finally reply them. He tell them that they never see anything. He said the other news as well reported that that Finland are giving this thing. They are protecting whatever Simon Ekpa over there for, you know. So the thing was a kind of complicated, but the truth of the matter is that when you say that people will not rest, you yourself will not rest. This is the truth of the matter there. The reason Nnamdi Kanu, if you want peace to be in Southeast, I have said it before that bullet and gun cannot bring peace in Southeast. It's only releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that will bring peace in Southeast. But you people are dodging so many things, because releasing Nnamdi Kanu will determine the Igbo's fate in Nigeria. Because when Nnamdi Kanu speaks, a lot of things is going to happen. Okay, my people, let's quickly jump into the another matter we will get for our hand today. They say that the Israel has called out its citizens to avoid traveling in Nigeria because of the numerous threats from terrorists of attacking their embassy in Nigeria. So this is what is currently happening now. Maybe Nigeria may be under attack, because when international community are saying this, you see so many things are going on in this country now. The hunger is increasing, so the people will be pushed to do so many things. Once they have given them a little thing, a lot of things is going to happen in this country that we're seeing, but most of us don't see all these things coming. So Israel has called us in citizens to stay away from Nigeria of this terrorist attack. Yeah, my people. Now, so we see them today, and I will say, "Move, bring them, come show now. Any updates where they come up, we'll still bring and come show you." What do you think that the move Ohanaeze and Ndigbo are making? Do you think is the right move? Since all these things are happening in Lagos, none of Igbo governors have all come aside to condemn what the Lagos State governor are doing to Ndigbo. It's just few people are speaking out of all this thing that is happening to Ndigbo. Fine, before they buy the land, I believe they have gone through process before they get the property. So if they want to demolish it, there should be a compensation before you can demolish the houses. You can't just bring somebody's house, just bring the house down like that, you know. It doesn't make any sense. But some of our people are happy for what is happening to Ndigbo in Lagos, because I have been telling them for a long time, we have so many bushes in our homes that we need to develop. If we keep on building another man's home, I can count in my village, there's no Yoruba man have a house there because of Hausa. In so many villages, we may count it just few. So why is it necessary that we are one Nigeria? You are saying one Nigeria. Why you are building another man's home? The people you are building, they will now come to your own land with mat and come and build house with a stick in your own home. But you go there and build mansion, build shop, bringing development, attracting international traders to their state. Why they come to your own state with shovel to dig hole? Things are happening in Nigeria. But however, the best solution, we have said it so many times, is to divide that country. Divide that country. Let everybody go in peace. My people, please share this video and make sure say you follow this page. Thank you so much.